You ready for this? Okay. So we're gonna make a really nasty drink. Let's bring it down lower so you can see what we're concocting down here. I said cock. Cock. Okay, so right now we're getting a shot of a cup from the Lovely Boobs. And we're gonna start off with so I can get to my cup. 2 cups. Okay, so we got some Sunny D smoothie strawberry, garlic, cinnamon, Tabasco, Dr. Pepper for the awesome flavor, ketchup, water. You know, you gotta have water for the waterness, and a little bit of margarita salt. You know, yeah. And some lemon pepper. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna concoct it however we want. So I'm gonna start with Tabasco. Start with water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like spicy stuff. And I'll put some water in there. This is gonna be really funny because Devery hates ketchup. Devery doesn't hate ketchup. Devery doesn't like ketchup. Exactly. A little DP lemon pepper. Oh yeah. Some cinnamon, Dr. Pepper. Don't try this at home if you get sick very easily. Look, I have a bubble like me. Some lemon pepper. Some margarita salt. Dang. Gotta get some garlic. Look at that. Doesn't that look like freaking delicious? Oh yeah. Look at that. And what did I do? Didn't do any of this. And you know what? A lime. Can you do it in half? Oh yeah. Well, you know what? There we go. That works. Bang! Okay. Now here's yours. I'm gonna stir them up. Ooh. I'm gonna bring it up so you can see our reaction. Look at that. It really smells. I'm getting sick already just smelling. I know. Okay. I feel like I'm on Fear Factor. Okay. I didn't even put any ketchup in mine. Hang on. Me either. This smells really bad. You know this. I got ketchup on my lips. You know, there's this thing called a cap. Kids use the cap because if not, you're gonna have a big old blob of ketchup. No. And you know what? For some extra application, let's put more normal stuff in here. Where's mustard? Ha! There it is on the counter. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna. Ooh. This looks so yummy. Not really. Look at that. Yummy stuff. Up close and oh my god. Up close and personal. If I throw up, you guys get to see it on camera. How special are you? I know. Okay. I'm gonna throw up right now. Okay. You ready? I can drink it. Oh. All ready? 1, 2, 3. My tongue is on fire. Keep our top off. I can use the ketchup. Look, I'm tearing up. My eyes are burning. I got something in my eye.
You know what?
There you go. Look at this. Does that really look yummy and drinkable? Don't think so. We're gonna dump this out now.
Oh, my eyes burn, so I don't know.
Ooh.
Ugh.
Look at that. Let's clean it tomorrow anyways. And then, that was us eating nasty drink. Yeah.